Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Do you desire a glowing skin, a skin free of aches and spots? You need to watch this video. I'll be producing this skin care cream to give you smooth, shiny skin. Welcome on board. Once again, you're welcome to my channel. Thanks to all my returning subscribers, and if today is your first time of coming across my video, you are awesome people. You are welcome. Feel comfortable to watch, like it, subscribe, and then comment. Why not share it? Okay, I'll be using just 3 ingredients. Number 1 is the shea butter. I have 70 grams of shea butter here. And then I have aloe vera, which I've already removed from the skin, just 30 grams of it. And then I have the vitamin E. You know the importance of it. Okay, so you can see it. Here is the just 3 ingredients I'll be using for such an amazing cream. If you use this, you will need no other cream to use again. You just survive with this one. Very simple. Just follow me as I explain it and then put us through. Okay, just 3 ingredients: the shea butter, the aloe vera gel, and then vitamin E. Okay, so the next time, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to melt the shea butter. I'll be melting it on a double boiler. That is, if you don't understand it, that means a bowl of water on the fire, then another bowl where I put my shea butter, and then put it so that it doesn't have direct heat. Okay, that's just why the double boiler, so that the fire is not too much on it. All I need, I just want to melt the shea butter. Okay, if today is the first time of coming across my video, I run online classes. I run free online classes, and of course I run advanced classes too. Okay, feel free to join anyone that you are convenient with. Okay, we can see the shea butter melting. It's already melting. We have to wait for it until it's completely melted. Okay, you can remember that the shea butter is used in most of our body cream, our hair cream, because of its properties. The properties of the shea butter cannot be emphasized on our skin. Okay, so we wait for it to melt. We melt it, and then when it's completely melted, we bring it down. And of course, I have an ebook. I have so many recipes there, convenient recipes that you can sit down at home and do it. Okay, and just for a token, you can get it on the seller app. Okay, the shea butter is completely melted and I've brought it down. And so what is the next thing I'm going to put? Just wait and see. So sorry, I mistakenly put off the camera, not knowing that I didn't record it. So I've put the aloe vera gel into it, and what you can see me do is mix it thoroughly, let it blend. You can see it already drying, you can see it already melting, and then mixing theory. If you have a hand mixer, good. Okay, if you have electrical mixer, blender, good. Okay, so in absence of it, make use of you can even use your spatula, whatever can make it smooth. Okay, so I haven't mixed it for some time. I put it in my freezer so that it can solidify. I want it to integrate together. So when I brought it down now, I remix it just to make sure everything is well mixed, and then I want it to give me a fluffy kind of cream. So I haven't mixed it together again like this. That is, after putting it in the freezer, brought it out, melt it a bit, mix it thoroughly. Okay, because I'm here to put my vitamin E. Okay, so so just keep mixing it. Okay, don't forget to join my online class. There I run many other recipes, soap, how to make soap, how to make profit in soap, how to make your transparent liquid soap, how to make the brown soap, your detergent, your liquid soap, and so many other things. And if you check my video, I have there what the things for you should consider before starting any of these businesses. Yes, any of these businesses, you need knowledge of it and the things you should not do. Once you watch this, please watch other videos and you will benefit. Okay, so I haven't mixed it very well like this again. I will make sure you break all the nuts of the possibility of the aloe vera still remaining there. Okay, so you mix it thoroughly and then you make sure it's all broken, and then to form a smooth liquid substance. And then I haven't done that again, it's put in the freezer for the second time just to make sure that everything is well integrated. And then so what do I do this time around? I will just subject it to a little heat because I'm here to put my vitamin E there, and then I can't put the vitamin E like this, it won't mix well, so it has to be in a little liquid form, okay, before doing it. And now that it's melted, I can now add my vitamin E. Just need about 3 drops because of the quantity of the cream we are making. If you do this, you don't need another cream to remove your aches and pimples again, your spots, black spots. This will rectify it for you. So what do we do again? Just mix it thoroughly. Make sure the vitamin E is well mixed together. And then if you are here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like the video so that the video can reach other people. Okay, so I will mix it together. You can pour it in your container now and put it in your freezer again, or you leave it, it will naturally solidify.